Welcome back to Gulf Food 2022, and I'm so glad to have today Riccardo Cavanna. Riccardo, finally IPACK-IMA 2022. Which will be the main news and which will be the sectors behind and besides, packaging?
First of all, thank you very much for this opportunity. I'm very glad to be here with you, and of course I'm very happy to say we are back. Definitely we are back to trade show, we are back to meet our customer face to face, and we are back to IPACK-IMA. IPACK-IMA 2022 will be a great opportunity for the industry, for the packaging industry, to restart traditional but even innovative way to match business relationships. So, first of all, the first big news is that Italy is open and is safe. As I usually say to my customer, come to Italy because we are open, so you will be able to come even if your vaccine is not UA approved, but with just a PRC test, you will be able to come to Milano, but to come to a country that is very safe. And we are proud of that. Talking about IPACK-IMA 2022, the main business community remain very strong. First of all, the grain-based and bakery industry, confectionery, beverage, and generally speaking, food. And everything is around the food technology. But, of course, IPACK-IMA is well known for even the industry, like chemicals, like logistics, and last but not least, pharmaceutical. Proud to say that Pharmintech has been joined IPACK-IMA, and it will be a great occasion, even for the pharmaceutical industry, to meet the best player in the market.
Yes, this is a very added value for IPACK-IMA.
Of course, we just completed the range of the business community. IPACK-IMA, that is one of the oldest trade shows in the packaging world. IPACK-IMA started in 1961. And so it's one of the most important, oldest packaging event in Europe and in the world. And yes, definitely all the business community are represented, and we are proud to say that the main Italian and European packaging manufacturer company will be present at the show with not just a stand and the people, but also with innovation. IPACK-IMA will be the first show after 2 years where we will be able to present our innovation. We have spent the last 2 years with digital events, with smart working, with a team conference. Everything was fine, very, very interesting because the world has changed. But it's time to go back to show the physical innovation together with the digital one. So IPACK-IMA will be the first time where we will be able really to show our best, what we have developed in the last 2 years, and even to check what is happening in the packaging, in the food, in the beverage, in the pharmaceutical, in the chemicals world.
Also because, Riccardo, packaging sector never stopped during these last difficult years. So what public will see, which innovation we'll see during the exhibition? Because I suppose that there will be a lot of innovation in this exhibition.
Absolutely. First of all, the big issue is packaging, sustainable packaging. I'm sure that during the IPACK-IMA 2022, everybody will be able to present what they have developed about sustainable packaging. But not only, because we need also to focus on digital transformation that support the industry, our final customer, and even the packaging machine manufacturers to survive in these last 2 years. Everybody was able to manage a virtual FIT and SIT, acceptance test, to definitely use our digital platform to manage a business relationship, and IPACK-IMA will be the right time to, let me say, present what we have developed on digital innovation. Last but not least, we're talking about packaging, we're talking about machinery, we're talking about performance and flexibility. what the market requests every single day when they are opening a new project. So I'm pretty sure it will be a very, very unique occasion to not only restart the business, but to make the point about some very important topics.
Riccardo, can you tell me just a few words relating the buyers program and my matching?
Yes, our government is supporting IPACK-IMA so much, so there will be the opportunity for international buyer to come to Italy and to be supported even financially, but not only financially, also logistically by IPACK-IMA and by ICE, the Italian government agency. Every company has the possibility to select a list of VIP, of decision maker, to invite them to come to Milano. Thanks to this support, we will be also able to create some incentives. There is another interesting tool developed by Fiera Milano and IPACK-IMA, my matching, and it's an interesting approach that will give the opportunity to the visitors to match their expectation, their needs with the packaging machinery. Because it's well known that when you visit a trade show, you have a lot of things to see.
Too much.
Too much, and then it's very, maybe you have some specific topics to develop. They are looking for vision control for quality, or I don't know, some specific packaging design. And it's hard even to find who is able to provide this kind of technology or this kind of innovation. So it's a great support to match what the visitors are looking for and what the exhibitor are exhibiting.
IPACK-IMA will be held in May in Milan, Fiera Milano, from May the 3rd until the 6th, if I don't get wrong. It will be the first important exhibition relating packaging in Italy, and the first one that will be open again to our country industry, foreign industry. There will be a lot of news relating technology and technology relating packaging, but also bakery and other food sectors. So there is a lot of good reasons to visit and to exhibit at IPACK-IMA 22. Another last question, Riccardo. We know that you are the CEO of Cavanna, a leader in packaging, the Italian company, of course. There is any news that you can tell to us now that you will exhibit during the fair?
Yes, first of all, sustainable packaging is a very important topic. Don't forget that during the IPACK-IMA, UCIMA, Enjoy with IPACK-IMA organized the Packaging Speaks Green, a very important conference about sustainability. We as Cavanna, we have spent much effort, a lot of effort to develop, to support our customer on the transition to the sustainable packaging. So we will be able to present an innovative sealing system to match the paper-based, the mono-material, the compostable material, every sustainable packaging material that our customers are looking for to develop. We will present a very compact vision system for picking random product into the flow pack, and a very flexible secondary packaging for private label manufacturers. And last but not least, we will present a very disruptive technology for a multi-grain based cracker. We feel very important even to follow the market trend. So our customers are looking more and more for healthy products. But healthy products are fragile, are delicate. So what we have developed in the last 2 years, it's a very interesting innovation and able to manage the product in a very gentle way. Let me say, it's a gentleman feeding system.
So IPACK-IMA will be a very important occasion to meet the international industry, food and non-food. So I can wait to be there with you, Riccardo. Thank you so much for this meeting.
Thank you so much, and see you in Milano.
See you at IPACK-IMA.
See you in Italy. Thank you very much, Sonia.